Hi guys, this is Shoaib from Hopperstick, and I just wanted to do some experiment today. I've got an IP camera. This one is a OneScam company. It works really good, but I've got a job which is there's already pre-wired in a shopping mall shop, which is a BNC cable. So that has a BNC cable already pre-wired. So I have those IP camera, and I need to wire through those BNC cable. So I'm just trying to make an experiment that these is called some sort of converter from BNC to Ethernet. As you can see, this is Ethernet, and this is a BNC cable. So I connected, but it doesn't work actually. See, there's no light in here. So what I did with the IP camera, this is the camera, and this is the connection. I made it, and the other side of this cable I joined with one of these things, and that's the BNC cable. And I connected the power, connected the video jack, and that one, actually this is the cable rolled up. I have already set it up here, and the other side of this BNC cable is here. Like, the power is already there, and this is the connection with Ethernet, which goes straight to back side of the NVR. And also there is no light in it. I'll just show you. See, that light is not blinking, the PoE. That's a PoE NVR. But also this is the white cable, that's another Cat6, goes to the modem, and everything is powered up. Like, as you can see, the light is blinking here for the NVR, and um, the the monitor is up there, but nothing is coming up. Even the camera connector, there's no light. So I really don't know, am I doing any mistake or what, but in a general way it doesn't work in this way. But I have um, tried it before, this kind of converter in Ethernet cable to a DVR, which worked fine, and the video quality and power is absolutely fine. But for IP cameras, for NVR, like from BNC to NVR, it doesn't work. But from Ethernet to DVR, it works fine. Alright, thank you so much for watching this, and just wanted to explain all this thing. You can subscribe to my sort of channel. I'll come with more videos. Thank you so much.